Well, coronavirus cases continue to rise around the world, and now the outbreak is hitting closer to home.
The Philadelphia Health Department is monitoring 2 people for the virus known as COVID-19, and we're waiting to find out more about those patients and their test results. Meanwhile, there are 2 presumed cases of coronavirus in New Jersey. Both are from Bergen County. A 32-year-old man is being treated at Hackensack University Medical Center. The second patient is a 32-year-old woman. Officials released her from Englewood Hospital and asked her to self-quarantine. Eyewitness News reporter Trang Do is live at Temple University this morning, which is also taking steps to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Trang.
Well, Janelle and Jim, Temple is requiring any student, staff, or faculty member who has traveled to any of the 5 most affected countries to stay at home and not return to campus for 14 days. So far, there have been 12 deaths related to COVID-19 here in the United States, all of them on the West Coast. The Grand Princess and its 3,500 passengers and crew are stranded off the coast of San Francisco.
And we have crew constantly cleaning our ship.
Over fears some of them are infected with coronavirus.
I definitely feel like we've been kept in the dark a little bit. I'm not sure if they're just trying not to, scare people.
Yesterday, the California National Guard flew test kits to the Grand Princess. A passenger who had been on the ship last month died from coronavirus. Now about 3 dozen people are showing flu-like symptoms. Test results should come later today. Vice President Mike Pence acknowledged there is work still to be done.
We don't have enough tests today to meet what we anticipate will be the demand.
In Kirkland, Washington, at least 8 residents at a nursing home have died.
I'm calling it a petri dish.
Family members are demanding accountability.
We're continually told that our loved ones are safe in this establishment. I want Mike Pence to come and sit with my father-in-law.
No confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the Philadelphia area just yet, but plenty of precautionary measures are being taken. Temple University announced it is requiring any student, staff, or faculty member returning from China, Iran, South Korea, Japan, or Italy to self-monitor for 14 days after returning home. That means staying home and away from all school campuses. Meanwhile, in Bucks County, Pennsbury's marching band learned the school is canceling its international trip. Band members and their parents are disappointed but understanding.
I think they must have just thought we can't take the chance of one kid getting sick over there or having one issue because we took this trip when we should have, erred on the side of caution.
And back here at Temple, the administration says no students, staff, or faculty members at any of Temple's campuses here in the U.S. or internationally have been diagnosed with the virus. Still, Temple Rome is closed for the rest of the spring semester. Meanwhile, Temple Japan is on a 2-week break like every other school in Japan in an effort to curb the virus. But for now, we're live from Temple University. I'm Trang Do, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Back to you guys.
All right, Trang, thank you.
And by the way, CBS This Morning will dedicate a special hour of today's broadcast to address the coronavirus. The race to respond looks at what we know right now and where we could be headed as the coronavirus continues to spread around the world. That starts at 7 right after Eyewitness News.